Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to create this beautiful tower card. You have to open like this. Open the lid and you will get 4 boxes inside it. Here you can put any gifts for your friends or relatives. This is a good idea and it's so beautiful. So let's start to make this. For this we need 34.8 cm by 14 cm cardstock and divide it in equal 4 parts, which measures 8.5 cm. And crease it. Then now add ribbons from both the sides. After adding the ribbon, now add some coloring papers like this. Also add some coloring papers outside. After adding some coloring papers, put the base box aside. Now for make the boxes, we need 14.5 cm by 14.5 cm cardstock and score at 3 cm from all the 4 sides. And follow the steps. After cutting the holders, add some little glue and attach it. And the box is ready. Now add some pattern to decorate. In the similar way, I have created more 3 boxes the total is 4 boxes. In the same way, I have also created the lid which measures 14 cm into 14 cm. Now put back the base and attach all the 4 boxes like this. Follow these steps. And tie like this. So now I am going to make some quilling flowers. For this I am taking half strip of white quilling strip and make a loose coil and give it a leaf shape like I am doing. And attach all the petals together to make flower. Here total 8 petals. Now I am going to make another flower. For this I am taking half strip of orange strip and follow these steps. Like this, and I am wrapping this design by brown color quilling strip. And add all the petals together to make this flower. Here total petals are 6. Now I am going to make Malaysian flower petal. For this I am taking half strip of orange color and make a loose coil and shape it like this and cover it with brown color quilling strip. And add the all petal together. Add the flower like this. So flower is done. Now I am going to make leaf. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of green color quilling strip, make a loose coil and give it leaf shape and add 3 petals together like this and you will get a leaf. Now take back the lid attach and decorate the flower as you want. It's totally depend up to you how you want to decorate it. After adding the all flowers and leaves, I add some stone stickers on the edges of the lid like this. So the decorate part is done. So the tower box is ready. You can put here any gifts for your dearer friends and relatives and close like this and tie the ribbon. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment.